Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new and if you like DIY project and other type, then I would love to have you consider hitting that subscription button below so you keep up with all my DIY inspiration of the videos that I have coming soon. In today's video, I am participating in collaboration called the Power Up Collab, where to encourage women using power tools. This collab is hosted by two beautiful ladies, Sarah from Kansara DIY It and Zaina from Oki at Home DIY. So make sure to check out their channels and as well as the playlist because you have the opportunity to win this $25 Amazon gift card if you comment on each video the secret word that each crafter in their playlist tells you in their video. Also, my secret word will be shown and said later on in my video too. Just keep watching to the end. My power tool that I'm using in this video is wood burning tool. I used it in the previous video too. So just to show you that you can be very creative using this tool and making beautiful and easy DIYs. I got this new set that has a lot of wood burning tips and accessories that can be easily used for wood burning projects. Especially this kind of stems are very useful to create patterns with unique design and help you make amazing creation. Yes. For the first DIY, I have been using this wood flower, this frame and this fabric with beautiful beehive design. I got all of them from Dollar Tree and I sand it out this piece of wood before I apply in my wood burning tool. So we have been drawing a bee, then trace it over the pencil lines to burn the design into the wood. To trace, we just let the tip glide over it. So I choose the pen tip or pointy one to go to trace my design. Also, I have to turn the wood to make the fine lines. Then I have been tracing a sunflower on this corner to add more details to this piece. To make these petals, I switch the tip to the leaf tip using my pliers. I need pressure to make it darker. I have a stick on the table. I need it just as a piece of wood, kind of scrub, just to do a few little doodles on there so you can be comfortable using the tool. Now I choose another stamp tip to add some patterns design into my flower. So to add more details to this piece. Now I'm adding a thin rope all around this flower and glue it with my hot glue. Now I have been adding this fabric as background to this frame. I have these thin strips paper. I have brown and beige around 14 inches tall. I glue 3 strips, start with brown, beige and the last one is brown, so to make a long strip. Then I put the end of this long strip in my slotted tool. It's quilling tool. We can roll it even with our fingers. I want to create a small beehive using this quilling technique with this strips paper. I am making kind of small pots. I need 2 of them to glue them together to make small beehive. As you see in this video, this is one of them. What I did after I roll it, I glue the end, then I press it in the middle to the end to make a shape of a pot. Adding a glue inside this part to make it harder. And this one is one of them, so I'm gonna make another one and then I glue them together. I'm showing you these Cricut markers. I use the yellow one to color the bee and this sunflower. As you see now, we have these two parts. I'm gonna group them together, one on top each other. I cut a small black round paper and I add it there to look like a real beehive. And I add this twine all around this black circle. It's so cute. Voila, voila, voila. I have been adding some greenery in the bottom and this ribbon in the top. And now is the final result. What do you think? Do you think I should make a little bit bigger beehive? So I'm waiting for your comments. So keep watching to see the second DIY, and there I will say my secret word. For my second DIY, I want to create a small riser using this wood plank. First I send it out, then with my tool I trace some wiggly lines with my Sharpie tip. Then I switch it with another one with the shading tip, has a leaf shape. Create some nice marks. Just be creative to decorate this piece of wood. Then I switch it with another hot stamps to create these beautiful marks. Nice. Another wiggly lines. Make some leaves around. I'm adding now legs to this riser, so I need this wood cubes for each leg. I am gluing 2 cubes using my glue gun. So my secret word is glue gun. I use a lot of glue gun in almost all my projects. So don't forget to write down my secret word in the comment below. I am applying the transparent wax on the top or the surface, and other wax, the darker one, for the legs. Gluing all around the thin row to give some details to this riser. I am cutting black and yellow strips to form a bee body using quilling technique. I need 3 strips, black, yellow and black. Glue them together to make a long strip. Roll it using my slotted tool. Glue the end and form a shape of pot. I needed 2 pots to shape a bee body. One of them I press inside to the end with a needle to get this black tail. Look, you're gonna see it. Voila. I am rolling only a black strip to shape the head. I am making kind of a small pot and add it to the body on the top of this bee. And now making 2 antennas with small strips. And now I'm making yellow wings by rolling yellow strips. You're gonna see my final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for all your likes, your comments, and for watching my videos. See you next time soon, and take care. Bye.